Hi guys!
Hi, Daddy!
Wow, it looks like you got some huge giant eggs there in front of you. Are you excited?
Yeah!
You excited to see what's inside?
Yeah!
You ready to show everybody?
Yeah!
All right, let's do this.
Welcome to 10 Twins Toy Review.
All right, it's time to see what's inside those huge giant eggs. Go ahead, let's open them.
Let's open the door.
Okay, you get the blue, and Madison gets the pink. Let's open it. Come on, crack it open. Let's see what's inside. Whoa! Whoa, what is that?
Popsicle.
You guys got all kinds of stuff in there. Let me see what you got. Put it all on the table. Put it all on the table. Let me see. A Nintendo micro figure. It's a Nintendo micro figure. It's a surprise. That's that. And what else did you get? You got a Paw Patrol set. It has Marshall, Chase, and the little girl doggy. Okay, little girl, let's see what you got. Let's open your egg. Oh, that's a big egg. You need help to open it?
That one.
There. Oh my God. What's inside that huge egg? Wow. That's a lot of stuff there. What did you get, honey? What did you get? Can I see? You got Kitty Club. Her name is Lucy. She comes with a lot of purses, a hat, and a different bunch of accessories. The next one you got is Happy Places. It's Shopkins. Oh, cute. What else did you get? Ooh, you got a Zoom Zoom mystery pack. And you got that's Sheriff Callie and Sparky. Little figures.
What is that?
Wow. Mystery pack. Another Disney Zoom Zoom mystery pack.
What is that?
Ooh, let's see what you got, little boy. You got, what is that? Can I see it? This is a Whooshie Flash Gordon. Wow, he's pretty cool. What else did you get? Ooh, look, you got an Iron Man Avengers necklace. What's inside that one? Ooh, you also got a Mighty Minis superhero mystery pack. That's cool. And you got a Pixel Pop. Ooh, those are cute. You can build that. They're like little mini Legos. And the last thing you got was Tech Deck. A little mini skateboard. That's very cool. And what else did you get? Ooh, a Disney Dalmatian chocolate surprise egg. Ooh, I can't wait to see what's inside that, guys. Wow. And I believe this was some kind of a mystery pack also. I think it's a Whooshie mystery pack. Alright, let's start opening them. Hi, Maddie. So you decided to open your chocolate egg first? Can you show me what toy you got inside? Let's open it. Let me see the toy. Let me see the toy. Oh, so Kanoa's opening up the chocolate egg too. Let me see what toy he got. What did you get, honey? Let's open it. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, that's Lady from Lady and the Tramp. Ooh, and it comes with a little flyer. That's the Disney chocolate egg surprise. There you go. And what did you get, little boy? Let me see. Let's open it. It's from Aristocats. Here you go. Wow, cool. And it also came with a little flyer. Very nice. And here's your flyer. So it looks like you guys are just eating your chocolate eggs. Are you guys ready to open up the next toy?
Yeah.
Which one are you going to open? you want to open this one? Who is that? This is Kitty Club. Very, very nice. You want to open it? There you go. Go ahead and open it. Let's see what's inside that one. Kitty Club.
Let me open.
Yeah. Let's see. Are you guys ready to open up your next one?
Yeah, that one.
What are you opening?
Yeah.
Let me see. Go ahead, open it. All right, both of you guys can open it. Ooh, Paw Patrol set. Mini figure set. Wow, that's the Paw Patrol set. Can I see it? Show everybody. What's her name? Sky. Can I see Sky? Ooh, that's Sky. Who's next? Who else did you get? Chase? You got Shopkins. Okay, let me see Chase. Show everybody Chase. And Marshall. Let me see Marshall. Wow, that's very, very cool. Okay, and you did the Shopkins. Let me see what's inside the Shopkins. Here's this one. This one. And here, this one. Wow, that's cute. Which one are you gonna open next, Maddie? The Disney Zoom Zoom? Okay, let's open it. Let's see. What are you getting in there? Let me see. Show everybody. Hi. It's Bambi. Look, everybody. Madison got Bambi. Wow, that's cute. Bambi. He's very, very cute. Yeah. What are you gonna open up next? You want to open up Sheriff Callie? Wow, okay, let's open it. Wow, she's very, very cute. And she comes with her horse. Here you go. Look, there you go. She could ride the horse. Sheriff Callie, everybody. All right, Kanoa, what are you opening up next?
That one.
What is that? That's the minifigures? Superhero minifigures? Wow, let's see what you got. Who's in there? Ooh, a lot of little pieces. It looks like we have to build them. But who did you get? It looks like Batman. I think you got Batman. Very, very nice. Here you go. Here's Batman. You could fight with Flash Gordon. Put him right there. Whoa, they're fighting Batman and the Flash. Let's see what's inside your mystery pack. I think that's a Ushy mystery pack. Let's see. I don't even know the name.
That's Maddie.
Let me see.
That's Maddie.
Can I see it?
That's Maddie.
Oh, that's Supergirl. Look, everybody. You got Supergirl. There. Wow, it looks like you guys opened up all your toys. You guys like them?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you gonna play with them now?
Yeah.
All right, before you play with them, let's tell everybody bye.
Bye.
Wow. Thanks for watching the Tan Twins Toy Review, everybody. If you like this video, please click like. And please don't forget to subscribe. Till next time. Bye. Bye.